Hey everybody, I just got this in the mail today and I'm very excited about it. I want to make a video just to talk about it. So this is a seed starting system, a 32 cell seed starting system we got from Burpee. And we're going to use it to start all of our tomatoes and peppers. Now the great thing about this one and the one that we got a few weeks ago that we've been showing the broccoli pictures on is that you water it once and it stays watered for 10 days. It has a really cool like reservoir system, and we'll shoot more about that in a second. But I don't want this video to be too long. I just basically want to show how you set this up and show how we're going to plant tomatoes and peppers. So let's just dive in and start setting it up. So first step, rip off the packaging. I'm littering, aren't I? I'll pick it up. Okay, so these pellets are awesome. I like them a lot. I've tried pellets like this in the past that had the little netting around them and they were a pain. I did not like them. They did not work very well, but these are different. And they've been really super awesome to work with. So basically it's simple. You take warm water and you go through and you fill up these pellets. Once you've got these fully expanded, I've got still a little more work to do on these, but for the most part, these are fully expanded. It's time to move on to the second step, which is setting up the tray for growing. So we have these little spacers that they came with. You're gonna set inside, and then this black mat that it came with, you wanna soak it in water, so we've had it soaking in that water that was in the tray. And you set it on top so that the sides dip down into the water. And what that does is it wicks the water from below up to where these seeds are gonna sit. So you set the seeds on top of here, and then you have the cover, which is inside of this. So you lift that up, and then you'll go through and you'll plant your seeds, and we'll make another video showing that. I'm not gonna do it right now, but you'll go through and plant your seeds, and then you put this cover on there.
What are you doing?
And then put it under your grow lights, and that's all there is to it. So we're really excited to get started with our tomatoes and peppers. We're going to be making a lot of videos all throughout the spring showing how we're growing tomatoes and peppers and everything else you can imagine out here in this garden. So follow us on Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube. Hey guys, I'm trying to make a video. Hold on a second. Follow us on Instagram or on our website. You can sign up for our email list. We send out weekly emails with all the news and information we're doing. We've got events going all throughout the spring. So thanks for watching, and share with a friend. Thanks.